guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new 3-in-1 browitall from Glamnetic. They did give this to me, but I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I mentioned it in a video recently when I was talking about the stuff that I got from Glamnetics, and I wanted to give this a special video on its own to kind of go over how I've been using it. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. All right, so today's a film day. I just have skincare on right now, but I want to share something. One of the most important steps in my routine every day is always my brows. Mainly because they're not super full. I have some sparse areas here, but it's definitely a step that I make it a point to do because it just helps my face look more complete, especially since you guys see me without glasses, but this is me all the time. So my brows compete with my frames sometimes. That's why brows are important. So I've been really enjoying this 3-in-1 brow product. I'm going to show you why. But first, let me give you some details. It does come in 5 colors. I picked up dark brown. And this does retail for $34.99. Now, Glamnetics did give me a discount code. I'm going to put it here. It's ANARECZYNSKI 15 off. So definitely take advantage of that. Let's talk about this. All right, so 5 colors. I got dark brown. Now, this is what's really cool about this particular pencil. You don't need a brush. You don't need to bring a separate gel or anything. It's literally your brows can be done with this one product. Now, I've been playing around with it. I've been testing it out for a couple days. And I have to say, I have been reaching for it. And I do like that it's all kind of here. I still love my Gotta Be Brow gel. That's definitely always going to be a favorite. But this has been rivaling it very much. So on one end, you open it, you have the pencil, which is a pretty, it's a small tip, so it's not a very thick tip. My brows are super, they're rather thin and a little bit sparse in certain areas. I don't do too well with, the brow pencils that are on a slant. Those actually are not my favorite. I prefer tips like this. So that's the part you go to fill in your brow. Then here, if you twist it off, you have a little spoolie to help blend out the edges and kind of soften it up. Remember, spoolie does the hard work of the pencil. It does the blending and everything. And then as a bonus, you have the brow gel. And this one is, it does have color to it. And there's definitely little tiny fibers that are going to adhere to the brow to fluff it up. So yeah, I've been enjoying this one a lot. The brow gel is very, very good. The one thing I will say is you want to use a little bit and try to wipe off the excess. So I'm gonna demo this for you. I'm just gonna pull my light in a little bit closer because I'm getting a bit of a shadow. All right, that definitely brightened me up so much more. I do have my window open, so you're gonna hear birds. You might hear Luna. It was time to take the ACs out. All right, so I don't have anything in my brows. Like I said, I just have skincare, and I'm gonna do one brow, and that way you can see the difference. So I'm going to take this. I have a mirror in front of me, but I'm going to have a handheld mirror because I can't see. So I basically just kind of push this guy up. And I'm going to just start filling in my eyebrow. Follow the natural shape of your brow. This is really nicely pigmented. Definitely don't hold it too tight to the front of it because then the pigmentation is going to be too strong. Go with a light hand. Just like that. I'm going to take the spoolie part and I'm going to just blend this up. That instantly makes my brows look fuller and just more put together. Look at this. Huge difference. And like I say, whenever you are doing whenever you have to wear glasses, if you wear glasses like I do, filling in the brows is absolutely a must. So I'm just going to go back. After I blend it, I always kind of pull back. I look in the mirror. I have another mirror here. And I see, do I need to fill in any other spots? And I'm just going to take this and fill that in. Flip this guy over to blend. I'm going to take the brow gel now. The brow gel, use a little bit. I like to kind of, whatever's on this part here, I'll just kind of wipe off. It's good. The pigmentation is really nice too. I like that this color is kind of like a neutral, coolish brown. I can't do anything that's too red because then my eyebrows will turn red. Now, again, this does pick up a decent amount of product, so I'm not going to start at the front. I'm more so going to start somewhere in the middle back here. Light pressure. I'll work my way out. And then whatever's left over, slowly migrate towards the front of the brow. Now, because this little brow gel applicator is so tiny, you can almost like push those little brow hairs in the front up. So I'm going to pull myself back so that you guys could see a difference. Like, look at that brow. And now I'm going to put my glasses back on so you could really see how it looks. So now my brows are no longer competing with my glasses. Again, this is more crucial if you wear glasses like I do. I wear big frames. That's just my style. But look how different that looks. Like, this already looks more awake, more like lifted, more put together. So definitely a really cool tool. Now, the reason I have been reaching for this is because I no longer have to bring an extra spoolie. I no longer have to do a separate gel. It's definitely like trims that time in half and makes my makeup bag a lot lighter because I really do have 3 products in here. And the finish is really nice. Again, with these products, go with a light hand. You know, you always got to test the formulas out before you just go ham on your face with it. But you can still achieve a really natural soft brow. If you want a stronger brow, you can definitely do that too. I like my brows to be a little bit softer but defined. Yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. Is this something you would do, or do you feel like I'll stick to what I got? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.